Welcome to Itential Service Provisioning Artifact Demo. In this video, we will introduce the Service Provisioning Artifact, which allows user to run in either Demo, Verbose, or Zero-Touch modes. This artifact is intended to be used by either new users who want to learn more about services within IAP, or advanced users who want to implement service provisioning workflows within their organizations. The Service Provisioning artifact is offered with an example Cisco NSO service model, which is prerequisite for all non-demo modes. The artifact consists of a set of modular workflows, forms, and automation catalog entry that can be adopted individually for customization purposes. Similar to all Itential artifacts, the Service Provisioning artifact comes with a comprehensive README documentation to help user to start using Itential Automation Platform. The best way to obtain and start this artifact is by using app artifacts. Once installed, press the green play button in the app to initialize the workflow. Then, pick a mode. Thank you for watching this Service Provisioning intro video, and as always, feel free to check all of our open source artifact projects under the @Itential open source in npm.js or via app artifact.